Everyone, Virgo Triad here. It is April 30th, 2018, and I need to clear something up really quickly. Apparently, there's a lot of people that are up in arms with regards to the North American Water and Power Alliance, and I wanted to, number one, thank one of the people that helps me research. That person goes by TB. They know who they are. Thank you very much for assisting me with the archive records. I want to make sure that everybody is aware of, number one, what the North American Water and Power Alliance is, and number two, what became of it. Because some of the rumors that are going around absolutely are not true and cannot be true if you simply read the archives. Here at the Archive Center, National Museum for American History, publicized for the Smithsonian Institute, as you see here, we can take a look at the Guide to North American Water and Power Alliance records. I will link this to the description of the video. This will give you every piece of information you could possibly want to know with regards to all filings and everything that has to do with the North American Water and Power Alliance. Very briefly here, let me read the biographical and historical notes so that you are aware of what they do. My understanding is that Miss LAJUNE has put information on a video that states that the reason you need to file a UCC1 or any other form of UCC is to relieve yourself from a lien that was apparently placed on all parties due to this specific situation. And as you will see, that cannot possibly be the case, as the North American Water and Power Alliance actually never got off the ground in any way, shape, or form. The North American Water and Power Alliance, or NAWAPA, was a large-scale transcontinental water transfer plan designed by Ralph M. Parsons Corporation in 1964. The Parsons Corporation was founded in 1944 to provide engineering, procurement, and construction services for government, petrochemical, and infrastructure clients. In the early 1960s, Parsons invested in its own financial resources to study and develop a conceptual plan for NAWAPA, which would divert fresh water from Alaska to water deficit areas of 7 Canadian provinces, 33 U.S. states, and 3 Mexican states. The total projected investment was about $100 million, with construction estimated to take approximately 20 years. Although the NAWAPA project was never realized, the Parsons Corporation, which you can locate here, www.parsons.com, continues to provide engineering, construction, technical, and management services to private, industrial, and government agencies. Now, you're welcome to go ahead and look up parsons.com, and you will see what it is that they are doing as of today. However, with regards to the North American Water and Power Alliance records, you will see by going over here that the North American Water and Power Alliance, NAWPA or NAWAPA, also referred to as NAWAPTA, from proposed governing body, the North American Water and Power Treaty Authority, is a proposed continental water management scheme conceived in the 1950s by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. The planners envisioned diverting water from some rivers in Alaska south through Canada via the Rocky Mountain Trench and other routes to the U.S., and would involve 369 separate construction projects. The water would enter the U.S. in northern Montana. There it would be diverted to the headwaters of rivers such as the Colorado River and the Yellowstone River. Implementation of NAWAPA has not been seriously considered since the 1970s due to the array of environmental, economic, and diplomatic issues raised by the proposal. Western historian William DeBise wrote that NAWAPA died a victim of its own grandiosity. Here is another website with regards to the North American Water and Power Alliance, NAWAPA, and I will link this to the description in addition. The North American Water and Power Alliance is a project for diverting the western U.S. and northwestern Mexico water from rivers in Alaska and Canada, which now flow into the Arctic Ocean, in addition to providing irrigation, water to arid parts of North America. NAWAPA would also generate considerable amounts of power and provide some subsidiary benefits such as stabilizing the level of the Great Lakes. The project was formulated by the Los Angeles engineering firm of Ralph M. Parsons Company and got some attention in Congress, particularly from the Senator Frank Moss of Utah, but is not politically feasible. Now, you can go on and read this entire page. I even encourage you to do so. You can go on and you can read all of the information on the Smithsonian's page of archived history. But the bottom line here, folks, is this never got off the ground. Therefore, there would be no need to file a UCC of any sort in order to relieve yourself from this purported claim that Miss LAJUNE claims that there is. The bottom line is this, as written by my researcher themselves. This was an idea that was pitched by one Ralph M. Parsons, who has his own engineering firm in California. He worked on several government projects, but NAWAPA never made it off the drawing room table. Thus, no reason for anyone to file a UCC1 for any reason. Plus, this was a project that was supposed to be between U.S. and Canada, and would have been financed through budget, such as selling bonds, etc., how the government finances other large construction projects. This lien filed by Roca is a figment of his imagination and has no roots in anything legitimate. Hope this helps those of you out that are looking for information with regards to the legitimacy of the North American Power and Water Alliance. This is not difficult for you to look up. I'm going to provide you with all three links that you would need in order to find this information. There is no validity, absolutely no reason whatsoever, legitimately, that Roca would have needed to file this UCC1. There is no legitimacy to the fact that you have a lien on you because of the North American Power and Water Alliance. It is a lie. It is not true, and I hope no one else falls for it. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.